Hello everyone. Here in this video I am doing an extra question of algebraic identities. The question is factorize. What is to be factorized? 3x power 4 minus 243. Now this is an extra question of algebraic identities. What is to be done here? First again you write 3x power 4 minus 243. There are two terms here. Here there is term of x, but no term of x is existing in the second term. Here constant number is 3 and here is 243. So what you need to do, you need to take something common from this term and this term. Now the question is, what can we take out common? So for that there is a simple procedure. You need to take in the rough work the HCF of 243 and 3. So 3 8s are 24 and 3 comes down, 3 1s are 3. So this is the HCF 3. So in these two terms you can take out 3 common. So inside 3x power 4 divided by 3 is x power 4 minus 243 divided by 3. So in rough work, or here you have done division, it is 81. Now 3 square bracket x power 4 can be written as x squares square, x squares whole square, because 2 into 2 will make 4, minus this can be written as 9 whole square. 9 whole square is 81. Now whatsoever is written in the bracket, you need to use one identity here. Using identity, which identity? See here. Here a is x square and b is 9. So identity to be used is a square minus b square. It is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 3 will remain 3 and a plus b. So a is what? X square plus b is what? 9 into a minus b. So a is again x square minus b is 9. Now question's solution is not over here. 3 into x square plus 9 will remain as same. Here this is the term x square minus 9. You can further factorize it. It will be x square minus 9 can be written as 3 square. X square minus 3 square. Here again identity will be used. Which identity? A square minus b square. So you will write using identity a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now 3 will remain 3 into x square plus 9 will remain x square plus 9. It is a square minus b square. So in place of a we have x, in place of b we have 3. So a plus b means x plus 3 into a minus b means x minus 3. So this is the solution of this question. So identity a square minus b square has been applied 2 times. So hope you have understood the solution of this question. Thank you.